My name is Brian Portillo. I am a supply chain major here at the University of Arkansas. Here with Crystal Bridges, we're trying to help with them improve on processes. Right now they're currently working on building certain art kits for Title I schools. And yeah, we're just trying to take a look at a lot of how their current state is and what we can do to improve upon that. So particularly what my group is working on, we're doing a lot of order processing things and a lot of inventory tracking. Every little adjustment we make, we write it down and we make sure that it's having the impact that we want it to have. You know, we're making one change at a time as opposed to making multiple changes at once. That way you can get a better idea of what is actually impacting and what is getting our results to be as they are. It's making those, those micro changes and documenting everything and making sure that, we're getting that proper track and, seeing progress as it happens. There's always ways to get better, whether that be, in certain business apps that, can be applied in the actual workforce or, just studying. A lot of the times, there's a lot of waste there, whether it just be, you have your phone on the side of you and you're wasting an extra 30 minutes when, you could have just applied that for studying, and just that continuous improvement and, just pretty much always trying to get better. One of the bigger things that you don't really get in the classrooms is that a lot of times the questions that you're asked in classrooms, you kind of get provided all the information. Whereas here, you have to go out and find that and do your own due diligence and making sure you get the information that you need to come up with solutions. And so it's been really, really eye-opening, and it's been really awesome to get that real life world experience that you normally don't get, sitting behind a desk at a classroom.